Guys, it's the end of the year and I just wanted to do a quick video to thank you. Thank you guys for subscribing this year, for growing this channel. I'm just looking at my stats for the year, and back in January 2023, I thought I'll start pushing out some regular videos. I started off with a couple of hiking videos. I had no content to put out, so I just made a couple of videos. And then in February, I thought, let's give this YouTube thing a crack. And I set myself a goal in the first week of February. I said to myself, I want to put out a video every week this year, and I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Crazy. It's got a big, hairy, audacious goal. It was for me anyway. And I think except maybe 1 week, I've put out a video every week this year. And sure enough, about 2 weeks ago, or probably 3 or 4 weeks by the time you're watching this, we hit 1,000 subscribers, and I could not believe it. My kids, my family was so excited. It was a massive moment for our household. It's been quite something to get here. It's been quite a journey. The start of December, I thought, there's no way we're going to get there. We had about 700 subscribers on that date. And in the last month, the last 28 days, it's now the 13th of December. The last 28 days, we've had 307 new subscribers. So thank you guys. Thank you all of you for watching. Thanks for it all. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the encouragement. Everyone that says keep going, it's what keeps me going and getting through this hectic life we lead to put a video out every week. There's a lot of work involved. I've got an editor, Julian, thank you too. I've been giving him a lot of work this year and I couldn't do it without him. I was editing to start with and I just, between work and life and everything, couldn't do it. So thanks, Julian. Thanks to the subscribers. We've got a big 2024 coming out. We're going to keep a video coming every week. I need ideas. Give me your ideas. What do you want to see in the hiking videos? We're doing some hikes, but give me an idea for videos about stuff you want to see, stuff you want me to research, anything. Anything to do with hiking, anything to do with the outdoors. Throw it in the comments below, but I won't keep you much longer. I just wanted to say thank you to you all for watching, for subscribing. Keep it up, tell your friends. We're going to make this work, this YouTube channel. We're going to keep going, and I don't know where it's going to take us, but it's going to be one hell of a journey. I've got lots of ideas. Let's see where we can go. And if you haven't done so yet, sign up to the newsletter. And yep, I'll see you in the new year, 2024. Let's get ready for an adventure. Thank you guys. See you soon. Bye.